Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of a backyard that's both beautiful and functional, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore a variety of backyard garden ideas that cater to all types of spaces and tastes. Let's get started on transforming your yard into a stunning retreat. Planning is key in garden design. Begin by sketching out a layout. Consider the sunlight, soil type, and how you use your space. Divide your garden into functional zones, an area for dining, another for lounging, and perhaps a playful spot for kids. Pathways not only guide movement throughout the garden, but also add charm. Materials like flagstone, brick, or decomposed granite can complement the style of your home and garden. Ensure paths have a width of at least 36 inches for comfortable access. Raised beds are fantastic for growing vegetables and herbs. They help with soil compaction, provide good drainage, and can reduce back strain when tending to your plants. You can build them at waist height for even easier maintenance. When selecting plants, think about the colours and textures that will bring your garden to life. For sun-loving plants, consider bee balm and coneflowers. For shaded areas, hostas and ferns thrive. Intermix perennials and annuals to keep your garden colourful all year round. Water features are not just visually appealing, they also create soothing sounds. Consider a small fountain powered by solar energy, or a bird bath that welcomes wildlife, adding a lively dimension to your garden. Comfort is crucial. Choose weather-resistant furniture to create a cozy nook for reading or a space for family gatherings. Incorporate cushions and outdoor rugs for added comfort and style. Lighting extends the enjoyment of your garden into the evening. Solar lights along paths, spotlights for trees or statues, and string lights in sitting areas provide both beauty and safety. Remember, creating your perfect backyard garden is a journey. It evolves with time, adapting to your changing lifestyle and preferences. We hope these ideas inspire you to start your gardening project today. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more gardening insights. Share your progress and ideas in the comments below. We love seeing your projects come to life.